Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. So how you can get Marketplace on Facebook? It's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply update your Facebook application. Sometimes there is a bug in a previous version of Facebook, so you guys have to just simply update the application. Updating the application will fix all the bugs in your application, and in this way you guys can fix some issues in your Facebook, like Facebook Marketplace is not showing and many more. If the first method does not work, then you guys have to simply go to google.com and you guys have to simply search for in which area Facebook Marketplace is available. So after searching for specific areas, you guys can see there are some of the areas which are blacklisted from Facebook. That's why in that areas there is no marketplace available. So you guys must have to check that your country is available or not. If your country is still not available in that blacklisted country, then you guys have to also don't worry about it. You guys have to simply open up Facebook, and here you guys can see I have marketplace option available, but in your side there is not available. So you guys have to simply go to settings on the top right corner, and here you guys have to simply tap on settings, and here you guys have to simply search for shortcuts, and you guys have to just simply allow the marketplace option here. So after allowing that, your Facebook Marketplace will be available to you. And the last method is you guys have to simply open up any of your VPN. So after opening up any of your VPN, you guys have to simply change your country or change your location, because some of the time your location Facebook blocks some specific location for temporarily. So you guys have to simply change your current location, and in this way you guys will be able to access marketplace. I hope these all methods finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.